So welcome to this video on area below the curve. I'm going to do a question that reads, find the area bounded by the curve y is equals to x squared and the lines y is equals to 4 and y is equals to 9. Solution. So I'm going to first of all sketch the curve and the two lines so that we can have a geometric intuition of what we are asked. So line y is equals, the curve y is equals to x squared looks like that. So this is y is equals to x squared. And then we have line y is equals to 4. And another line here, y is equals to 9. And so we have this area here, which we are told to determine. Okay? So it is very important to note that more often than not is when we have x equals to something, but in this case we have y is equals to 4 and y is equals to 9. So let us try to determine the area using integration. Okay, so y is equals to x squared. We can make x the subject of the formula here so that we have our equation in terms of y. So square root both sides, you have x is equals to square root of y. Alright? So when we are integrating, the area becomes integral from y equals to 4 to y equals to 9 of the function in terms of y, then dy. So it is always important to adjust the equation so that it can be in terms of y here. So x equals to something in terms of y. And that will help us to integrate out and get the area. So, area is equals to integral from 4 to 9 of square root of y dy. Integrating this, we are going to have y to the power of half, which is equivalent to square root of y, plus 1 over 2 plus 1 from 4 to 9. Okay? So then when you do that, this is equivalent to 3 over 2. So we can write 2 over 3 because it's 1 over 3 over 2. Then y to power 3 over 2 from 4 to 9. Okay? Be careful how you work out these powers. And when you come here, you're going to get, when you substitute the upper limit of integration, in here you're going to have square root of 9 3 times, which gives me 27, minus, when you substitute 4 in here, you're going to have square root of 4, which is 2, 3 times, you get 8. So when you subtract, you're going to have 2 over 3 times 19. And this is 38 over 3 square units. Okay? So let me make some illustrations here. The first thing, when you have a question that has got lines y equals to something, those are horizontal lines. Okay? Here we have y is equals to 4 and y is equals to 9. But now, the curve y is equals to x squared is this one. So we are taking the change along the y-axis. So then you have to do something to do with this y equals to x squared. You alter so that you have x square root of y. And so you're going to integrate with respect to y instead of what we are used to, integration with respect to x. And then when you do the integration, you are arriving at this correct answer here, which is 38 over 3. And that's how it is done.